In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons in Card.co, and by the end you'll know how to place a clean row of icons on your page and choose exactly which platforms you want to feature. Start by heading to Card.co and logging into your account. Once you're in your dashboard, create a fresh workspace by selecting New Site. This opens Card's template picker. For this walkthrough, choose Blank Page so we can keep things simple and see exactly what's going on. If you prefer to start from a template later, that works too. Everything we cover here still applies. Inside the editor, look for the Add button, which appears as a small plus icon. Click it to open the element menu, then select Icons. This inserts an icons element onto your canvas and opens a settings panel on the left. Think of this panel as the control center for which icons appear and how they look. You'll see a default item labeled Email. Click that entry to edit it. In the Edit view, the Type field determines which icon you're using, while the label provides helpful context for screen readers and tooltips. Card offers a broad library of brand and general icons, so you can find exactly what you need. If you're keeping an email icon, great. If not, you can switch it to a platform like Instagram, X, TikTok, YouTube, or LinkedIn by changing the type. In the Type field, start typing the name of the icon you want and pick it from the suggestions. This is the fastest way to locate the right icon without scrolling through a long list. As you customize, notice other style controls in the panel: size, spacing, alignment, color, and shape. These let you match the icons to your site's look without any code. To include another platform, click Add within the Icons panel. This creates a new entry beneath your first one. Select that new entry, then repeat the same process. Click into the Type field, type the platform name you want, and select it. You can add as many as you need and drag to reorder them so your most important profiles appear first. If you want to add yet another icon, click Email again, or whichever new entry appears, and repeat the process under the Type section to choose the icon you want. Keep an eye on visual consistency, use similar icon styles and balanced spacing so the row looks polished. When you're happy with your selection and styling, click Done to close the settings. That's it. Your social media icons are now on the page, ready to guide visitors to your profiles.